How to deactivate your Facebook. Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook. With Facebook or Facebook Lite or your browser, it works the same. For me, I use Facebook Lite. I will use it in this video. So let's start. I open my Facebook right now. Then I come to these 3 points right here. Then I come to my settings. So here I will go to personal information, and then I will click on access and control. I will find here deactivation and deletion, and I will click deactivating account and click continue to account and click continue. And after this your profile or your account will be deactivated. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.